Hello and welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. We want to help you with every aspect of your project, including the smallest details. That's why we offer a wide selection of decorative wood inlays. These decorative designs will give your build a personalized touch. All of our inlays have a slim depth of 1/32 of an inch. A small recessed channel is needed to install the inlay and create a smooth surface on your project. We have several designs and sizes available depending on your preference. Various wood species are used when creating these inlays to make colorful designs. They feature repeating patterns which add visual interest to your furniture piece. We offer a few square designs, but most of our inlays are available in long strips that can be used to frame tabletops, dressers, chests, and more. We've even seen these used on jewelry boxes, tabletops, cornhole board, making the design possibilities endless. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.